What up, everybody? Demo Realist. Yesterday, I was able to get the gas tank in. I was finishing up everything and whap. So yeah, uh, wind's blowing, so I'm not getting back up under there. I was under there when wind was blowing, so I had the strap supported somewhere around here, trying to get the adjust and winds blowing this, that, and the other. Something fell on, probably either got up in my nose or blew in my eyes, and I'm trying to squint to see what's going on and kicking. Next thing I know, it comes swinging back down and bloop. So I was up there leaking. So yeah, I got it recorded. It don't have the impact, I don't think, but yeah, you can hear me cussing, hollering, and screaming, talking wild. But anyway, she can't stay clean, not with this desert's wind. I forget because I never had to take the out of Roxy. That the trap door for the filler neck. I was trying to get everything from the bottom and keep forgetting about it. So yeah, I'll be finishing that up. I might have to yank this off, get the grease, and bam. While I mount everything, like the bushings, that's for the back, the other one's inside the bird cage. Mount everything. I'm gonna have to mount that shock, something I found yesterday. So yeah, had to go to Home Depot and get some more hardware. So I was trying to find if I had more of it, but I didn't. So are these them? No, those are other ones. Bang. I hope these aren't the ones I just picked up, because if these are, yep, I'm gonna have to take them back. Damn it, they're in the wrong spot. I wasn't wearing my glasses. I've got a headache. That right there is really, really messing me up. So, anyhow, I'm going to have to go take those damn things back, which I didn't really want to do, but I'm going to have to go do it. And I'm going to have to come back and I'm going to have to do this work tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Saturday. So it'll give me a reason to come outside. But yeah, progress is being made. I'm going to have to come out here, especially when the wind stops blowing. Start putting on the intake manifold and everything. TK's Garage is watching some more information, some more of his informative things. And big up again. I don't want to sound like meat riding or whatever he calls it. giving us some props and thanks, because the stuff that's going on, and 95% of the stuff has been correct. So, smog may be done soon. So we got 45 days to see what they're going to do. So, birthday's in about 2.5 weeks. Well, about 2 weeks. So I want to have this at least starting or cranking. So after I sort out doing all the suspension stuff, because I'm going to have to put the rest of these bushings in, I'm going to do the bushings. After I check the frame and all this, that, and the other, start doing the engine, putting all the parts back on. And like I said, I have a Cadillac converter, but I have to get a different cat, the one with the little air holes. And then we'd have to get a pipe and get it extended, and all that madness just to get the Cadillac converter to work with the 5th and 6th ports, because racing beat exhaust, pre-silencer. But if I don't have to now, then the exhaust will stay on just like it is with the pre-silencer, and eventually later on I'll go with the full cat, because all the nasty stuff that was spewed out of the Roxy's exhaust is more than likely the reason why my lungs are all effed up right now. So yeah, we're gonna get some more work done to this. Just wanted to keep you eyes and the heads up, because like I've been saying, I'm gonna have to edit this. I'm gonna have to edit some videos. I'm gonna have to edit some videos, and I've got a whole bunch of videos, and me talking about this is like video number 10, number 20. This is only number 2 on this recording. So I've got plenty that I can go back and forth in. Probably intentionally cut it where it's like double takes of what it was I was saying for the last one, and just say this is take number what you call it. It just, anywho, just be intentionally bad videos, all different angles, and keep the me dropping the phones and everything. So hands are hurting, my head hurts, I'm picking up wrong fucking tools and wrong parts, so that means I can't do what I need to do correctly. So with that being said, I'm going to have to go back, take that hardware, replace the hardware, come back and do what I gotta do. So I'm going to actually check the tractor place, because I saw something online when I was looking up at Home Depot, and saw a cheaper price. I'm like, I forgot they do sell hardware there. If they do have the hardware, then great, but I don't think they carry it because, metric. So you all have a good day. Drink you some water. I'm drinking mines. Wash your hands, even though I wash mines. Getting up under cars and doing stuff makes them grimy, and you're gonna have to keep washing and washing and washing and washing and doing all this other stuff. And I can never keep my hands clean, so I always look rough, so people think I'm homeless or something. I don't really care. It's a good way to keep people away from me, but it just makes me look like a suspect. So I'm holding a cup. I don't want nobody coming up and putting the quarters in, and I'm actually drinking something out of it. So you all have a good day. Be safe.